management, let's now look at what is business analysis. So business analysis involves what? Investigation of a business problem or opportunity. Given an opportunity as a project manager, I've been given an opportunity by my previous team that this is something that you have in the pipeline that's coming your way to be executed. Investigation of that. A systematic analysis and documentation of the requirements that the complete solution that is to be delivered to the customer has to satisfy. Analysis and documentation, and we will look at these in detail in further slides. And the role of a business analyst does not end just there. He has to support the entire life cycle of the solution and project, including implementation and testing, to ensure what? To ensure that the requirements that were supposed to be delivered have actually been delivered. Okay. Looking from bottom towards top, there are 6 different phases of a business analysis life cycle. Starting from business analysis planning to requirement solicitation, to the management and communication of requirements, performing enterprise analysis, detailed requirement analysis, and then solution assessment and validation. Okay, let's look at all of these 6 phases in slight more detail. So business analysis planning and monitoring involves the complete planning and monitoring of business analysis activities, typically starting with stakeholder analysis and requirements and delivery planning. Remember the definition of stakeholder we discussed a few moments back. And stakeholder analysis is equally important in business analysis as it is in project management. So we identify who are our stakeholders who have to give me requirements. We plan the requirement and plan how those requirements will be delivered. Elicitation is nothing but gathering those requirements. And we'll see in further slides what are the different methodologies or what are the different ways in which we can elicit those requirements. Requirements management and communication deals with communicating the gathered requirements to all stakeholders to make sure that there is a shared understanding of the nature of the solution, and to ensure that those stakeholders with approval authority are in agreement. Because at the end of the day, there has to be someone who signs off that yes, those requirements are the requirements, the implemented requirements are the requirements that I had stated, and those requirements have been met. So you need somebody who will perform what we call as the user acceptance testing. Everybody, all stakeholders need to be in agreement with that. The next step will be to perform an enterprise analysis. So every time a new opportunity comes up, or the same business analyst is doing requirement analysis, again, a fresh enterprise analysis needs to be done. This means assessing the capabilities of your enterprise in order to meet business needs and achieve strategic goals. Now, is this opportunity in line with what is the mission and vision of my organization? Is this aligning with the strategic goals of the organization? Do a portfolio analysis, do a balancing act. Once approved, you do a detailed requirement analysis. Analyze stated requirements in order to define the required capabilities of potential solution. So now the requirements are being translated into a solution that will fulfill stakeholder needs. The last process here says solution assessment and validation, and this is the one that rolls over all the way to the project end, because tasks that are performed in order to ensure that solutions meet the business need and to facilitate their successful implementation, including validation of requirements by supporting the testing. So as a business analyst, your role does not just stop when you define the requirements, when you define the solution, but in the entire life cycle of the project by supporting the testing. Okay.